Welcome to 82 Patio Court here in Oroville, where luxury and craftsmanship come together. Let's go check out this home. This home was featured in Log and Timber Home Living magazine. This fully customized retreat was designed and built by a master contractor for his own family. Every detail carefully considered. This home features 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 5,600 square feet of living space, a spacious 3-car garage, and owns solar. Nestled on more than 5 acres in one of Oroville's most exclusive neighborhoods, you will enjoy orange orchards, creeks, and an abundance of natural beauty. And with Oroville's lake only minutes away, adventure is never far. Thank you for coming on this tour with me of 82 Patio Court in Oroville. I'm Jennings. Expect more and get more with Made for More Realty.